Mitosis, Zoology from Basics. Welcome back to Zoology Adda. We are now on day 11 of our Zoology from Basics series. And today we're going to understand a process that is happening inside your body even while you're watching this video. Think about this for a moment. You started your life as a single cell. But today your body is made up of trillions of cells. So where did all these cells come from? The answer is cell division. And one of the most important types of cell division is mitosis. Before we understand mitosis, let's quickly connect it with what we learned yesterday. In day 10 we explored the different cell organelles and understood that every part of a cell has an important role. But a cell doesn't stay the same forever. Cells grow, become old, get damaged, and need to be replaced. So how does a cell produce new cells? This is where mitosis comes in. Mitosis is a type of cell division in which one parent cell divides to form two genetically similar daughter cells. It is important for growth, repair, replacement of damaged cells, and maintenance of tissues. Now comes the interesting part. Before a cell divides, it needs to make a copy of its DNA. This ensures that the new cells receive the genetic information they need. After that, the nucleus goes through a series of stages. And these stages are commonly remembered as PMAT. P stands for Prophase. During Prophase, the genetic material becomes condensed into visible chromosomes. The spindle apparatus begins to form, and the nuclear envelope eventually breaks down. Next comes Metaphase. Here the chromosomes line up along the middle of the cell. Think of it like the chromosomes getting into position before the big separation. Then comes Anaphase. This is the separation stage. The sister chromatids are pulled apart towards opposite poles of the cell. And finally we have Telophase. The separated chromosomes reach opposite ends of the cell, and new nuclear envelopes begin to form around them. So the nucleus has now essentially divided into two. But the cell itself still needs to separate. That final division of the cytoplasm is called cytokinesis. And the result? One parent cell has now produced two daughter cells. These daughter cells generally have the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell, and are genetically very similar to it. So if we quickly revise the journey, Prophase chromosomes become visible. Metaphase, chromosomes line up in the middle. Anaphase, sister chromatids separate. Telophase, two new nuclei form. And finally cytokinesis, the cell divides into two. You can remember the four main stages simply as PMAT, Prophase, Metaphase, Anaphase, Telophase. But remember, mitosis is not just a sequence to memorize. It is one of the reasons your body can grow, heal, replace damaged cells, and maintain its tissues. And there's one more fascinating question waiting for us. If mitosis produces genetically similar cells, then how does the body produce sex cells like sperm and eggs, which contain half the chromosome number? That takes us to another remarkable type of cell division, meiosis, and that is exactly what we'll explore in our next class. I'll see you in the next class. Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep exploring the animal world.